Good day, YouTubers. This is Michael Steinmetz here. This is a package that came back. This is going to be a quick review that it was what's new and what's to come. Just like the video VHS of the Walt Disney told me about it. He keeps saying what's new and what's to come. Yeah, that's a long time ago, so I'm going to show you. Hold on just a second. Ha! And here she is, the newest DVD in town. Oh, this is a Doctor Who Terror of the Zygons. Wow. This is a great story. Huh. It says 2 discs in it, and it has a new DVD logo. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? There's a new BBC logo. Wow. That looks very, very smart. Holy beep. That's what it is. I'm sorry about the languages, so I'm going to do in beep. So I'm going to show it off and look on the back. And it says here was the story number 80. Returning to Earth, the Doctor, Sergeant Smith, and Harry arrives in the Scottish Highlands to investigate the mysterious destruction of survival oil rigs in the North Sea. Locate local superstitions speaks of a deadly threat that looks in the midst of Turlock Moor. But the truth is even more disturbing that legendary Loch Ness Monsters is a terrifying cyborg beast which a controlled by the zygons. Wow. This is very, very bad. An arrive alien race who are dispirited to ensure their own survival at any cost. Yeah. This is very cool. And here we have is the audio. It says this is DVD extras, director's cut. Obtaining the which director's cut, including the scene deleted before transmissions. An audio commentary with producer Philip Hawkscliffe and writer Robert Banks Stewart. This is very, very cool. I love it. And here we go. See. Scottish Myths Success Making of. Remembering Douglas Camfield. The Unit Families Part 3. Doctor Who Stories Elizabeth Sladen. Merry-Go-Round. The Fuel Finisher, and photo gallery and some PDF materials. The Radio Times listings, of course. So this is very, very cool. Alright. And it says what right there? Oh, see what it says right there? Came out 2000. This is a re-released Day. This is this DVD of Doctor Who, Terror of the Zygons is going to be re-released in July 23, but it already came out, so I'm going to show what it is before. So this came out 2019. It says 4.3 mono audio, and it says region 1 color. That's what it says. English SDH. Wow. Very, very good. So, look inside the case. I'm going to show you how it is before. It's a new recycled material. And here it is. This disc of Terror of the Zygons. The new DVD. It says approximately, let's see. I don't know what it says. See, approximately 96 minutes, and disc 2 157 minutes of extras. Alright, that's it for this DVD, but I'm going to show you how I got. I'll be right back. And here I got these DVDs, and here I got this one, the beginning. It came out, it re-released since 2012, and this one is the E-Space Trilogy and Doctor Who, the complete first series by Christopher Eccleston, and the complete third series by David Tennant, and complete fourth series and the complete specials. They've both been re-released since 2012. And got this one, the complete fifth series by Matt Smith. It's re-released since 2013. And this one, the complete sixth series, it re-released since 2014. And this one, the Key to Time Special Edition, is re-released too. Well, that's it for it. So, I'm going to watch this one and get back to you in a little while. See you next time. Bye-bye.